Welcome to GSL GMC, located in downtown Calgary at 1720 Bow Trail Southwest. Today we're checking out a tour of the all-new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. This 6-passenger sport utility has a lot of great features. The Denali sports a chrome grille at the front with lower grille accenting, front and rear park sensors, LED lighting with daytime running lights and projection lamps, unique Denali alloy wheels, intelligent access door handles, 4 full doors to accommodate 6 passengers, and it's powered by the 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission with all-wheel drive. The interior of the Acadia Denali features a lot of great features, including memory seating with easy exit seat, power windows with automatic window control. We have automatic headlamps, a heated steering wheel, we have adaptive cruise control, a digital information cluster that has a lot of great information including air filter life, kilometers to empty on your fuel. We have high safety ratings with driver airbag, knee airbag, and side curtain airbags. We have navigation, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio with a push button engine start control, dual climate control zones including air conditioning, rear window defrost, and unique push button transmission selection. You also have the option to choose between heated and cooled seats, drive mode selection, and plenty of power supplies to charge your electronic devices, including USB-C, USB, and a 12-volt power supply. In the second row, Acadia has door holder cup holders. We have premium Bose door speakers. We have captain seats in the middle with access to the third row bench seat. In the rear of the center console, we have heated seat controls, power outlets, and climate control zones. And overhead, a twin panel moonroof, and easy access to the third row bucket seats, where you'll find another 50-50 split rear bench. For the Acadia, we have integrated dual tip exhaust, rear park sensors, a backup camera, and a power liftgate, as well as remote start, all-weather floor mats, and folding down 50-50 bench seat. We thank you for shopping online with us here at GSL GM in downtown Calgary. We look forward to answering any questions that you may have. Please do not hesitate to reach out to our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to receiving your inquiries.